Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have no makeup on, but today we're doing a hair video. I wanted to do a protein treatment on my hair because I think I suffered some heat damage. I believe I have heat damage from the time that I straightened my hair. Like, I think it was maybe a month ago or so. I straightened my hair and there are a few pieces of my hair that are straight. Yes, they are. But what can you do? Can't do anything. Just gotta work with what you got, right? And learn from your mistakes. So I won't do that again, but we're here to, get these curls a bit stronger. I've been noticing some breaking happening here and there. So I definitely wanted to do a protein treatment. I figured why not do a DIY protein treatment? I've been using these products for a deep treatment, like a protein treatment, for years now, ever since I was maybe 13, around that age. All right, so I have my spoon and my fork here. I have a bowl, I have an egg, I have olive oil, and I have mayonnaise. And this mayonnaise is the one with olive oil, so it will definitely help for moisture as well and strength. So first, let's get this egg in the bowl. So I'm just gonna crack this egg in the bowl and kind of whisk it together so that we can start this process. If you've ever had egg in your hair, it doesn't really smell good, but it's definitely packed with protein. So to this, I'm gonna add some olive oil. I'm just gonna pour. I really don't know how much I want to add, but I'm just pouring. Well, for good measure, let's add a little more. Whisk that together a little bit. Now for the mayo, I'm gonna use maybe 5 to 7 tablespoons of this. So let's go. And heaping. Oh, that sounded so gross hitting the bowl. I have an electric whisker, but I really just want to do this by hand. It's very nostalgic. So here's the consistency, and it's perfect. You can definitely add more oils to this if you want to, but this is just what I want to do. Now I'm just going to take a scoop of my mixture and apply it to my hair. Even if you're a natural girl, guys, you need to do a protein treatment every once in a while because you want to make sure that your curls have the strength that they need. Prior to this, I did wash and detangle my hair. There's no other product in there except for the treatment here. Some people like to start a deep conditioning process on wet hair. I prefer to let your hair dry because if it's wet, the water in your hair prevents it from soaking in as much product as you want it to. So I like to deep condition on fairly dry hair. Okay, so that's the back section and my hair is soaking this up. My curls already are popping, like, look at that. Now for the front pieces, as I said, the curls are definitely damaged here in the front. You can see this side usually curls up more and it's just blah. So another section, you can see it. You can see how straight this is right here. Like, definitely I messed up, but it's okay. It's just hair. Yep, so I'm going to steam with this in my hair. So hopefully it really soaks up that and builds the bonds that are broken in my hair so that we can have our curls be nice and juicy again. So this is the right side of my head with the protein treatment. I'm gonna do the left side off camera because it's just the same thing. It's the same thing. So I'm gonna do this off camera and then I'll come back. Alright guys, we're back. We have the protein treatment on the left side of my head, and if you thought that this right side was the worst, so look at all this. Like, these are all straight pieces, guys. So definitely we need that protein treatment to work, okay? I am going to actually use my Curadew now to steam a little bit so that the deep treatment can really penetrate. I'm gonna do this for about 15 minutes on each side. I don't know if that's excessive, but I really want this to work. I'm back, guys. I have the protein treatment on and I put 2 of these plastic bags on my head, and then I threw the towel on top. This is so that that steam and that heat can kind of penetrate. Guys, if you are in the market for a hair steamer, go and get this. Bite the bullet, pay the money, and just get it because it's gonna be essential in your weekly hair routine. You can use it for twist outs, you can use it to refresh your wash and goes, you can use it to steam when you're deep treating your hair. So definitely buy this. The only thing that's kind of annoying about it is the canister here that you fill up with water. It's fairly small. Like, I really wish that it was, for the size of this, I really wish that this was bigger, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in for roughly an hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 if I feel good about it. And then we'll come back and I'll show you how it looks before I wash it out. We are back. It's almost 6 o'clock, so I did about 2 hours. I was watching a movie in the meantime. We are fresh out of the shower and I definitely love how my curls look, how they feel. They feel stronger. Curls also look very shiny and I love that. I am planning to incorporate a protein treatment every month, so I'll probably do this same treatment every month. And I want to also play with some bentonite clay again. It's been a while and I love how my curls are with bentonite clay, so I'm gonna start doing that. Stay tuned for some content, some hair content. So yeah, I'm just going to allow my hair to kind of drip dry a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with my leave-ins and all that. But yeah, I love how my curls look right now. Like, if my hair could dry just like this, it would be perfect for just that like tamed curly look. But my hair doesn't dry like this. My hair gets big. So I have to put some product. That's it, guys. That's all I have for you. If you try this protein treatment, please let me know how it works for you. Again, I'm not saying that if your hair is damaged, this is what you need. You kind of have to do an assessment of your hair to see whether it needs moisture or if it needs protein. So I figured my hair needed that protein again to rebuild the bonds, the protein bonds that just went X when I flat ironed my hair. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.